You know some like install wig. I get for like install wig, but the only thing about the installing wig when I don't like, not even when I don't install it, I don't like flat iron my own ear because you know I mean I do it, so it's gonna give me a warm time. Watch him now. I go come in now, watch him now. Boy ask the charger. Anyway, yeah, the flat iron part, for me, flat iron my own hair, it's hectic. But look at me. The girl looks sweet, talk truth. She anglist. My anglist. I handle it. The girl's so sweet. The girl's so unique. The girl's so fabulous. The girl's such a Virgo. The girl's such a boss. The girl nice. No makeup. What girl I forgot party and go out. Hey! Try your best to make time for joy when the girl I feel herself. The girl I feel herself. Watch the girlie. The girl I enjoy herself. Life is so short, you got to enjoy it, girl.